Journey to the edge of the universe. What's out there? Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what lies beyond the stars? The boundless black canvas dotted with glowing specks seems infinite. But is it? What mysteries are waiting at the edge of the universe? Or perhaps even beyond? Join us as we embark on a journey that begins here, on Earth, and ventures into the furthest reaches of the observable cosmos. At the edge of all we know lies a realm of infinite questions and enchanting possibilities. Our journey begins here, on a small blue planet we call Earth. Floating in the vastness of space, Earth exists as part of a larger family, the solar system. The familiar sun, planets, and their moons form our celestial neighborhood, bound together by gravity like dancers revolving around a shared stage. But compared to the scale of just our galaxy, the solar system is like a single grain of sand in a sprawling desert. As vast as the space between planets may seem to us, it's nothing compared to what lies beyond the final outpost of our system, the Oort cloud. Beyond that stretches an unexplored abyss between the stars, leading us to the Milky Way. Here, we find ourselves in a galaxy, an unimaginably large collection of hundreds of billions of stars, swirling together in beautiful spiral arms. Our sun is just one among these billions, situated comfortably in one of the spiral arms, far from the chaotic center. Yet as colossal as the Milky Way is, it's only one galaxy among countless others in a much larger universe. As we leave the boundaries of the Milky Way, we step into the hauntingly beautiful void of intergalactic space. A realm unbound by the glittering presence of stars, this vast emptiness stretches for millions of light years between neighboring galaxies. However, even in this emptiness, we're not alone. Galaxies are not isolated. It turns out they group together in massive clusters. Each cluster contains thousands of galaxies, swirling together in mysterious patterns. These galactic clusters are connected by vast bridges of gas, dark matter, and gravitational forces, forming what scientists call the cosmic web. Like glistening dewdrops connected by silken strands, these clusters and filaments form the structure of the known universe. But what keeps these structures together? What anchors them when the universe is expanding? To answer that, we'll need to uncover a major cosmic mystery. Around 13.8 billion years ago, the cosmos as we know it burst into existence in a cataclysm scientists call the Big Bang. From that fiery beginning, the universe has been expanding, its galaxies moving farther apart like dots on an inflating balloon. But here's where things get even stranger. The expansion is speeding up. This acceleration isn't fueled by gravity or a familiar force, but by something mysterious and invisible, dark energy. Scientists believe that this enigmatic energy makes up about 68% of the universe, yet we understand almost nothing about it. It's one of the most profound puzzles we've ever encountered. Even with this acceleration, there's a critical horizon, the limit of what we can observe. Beyond this boundary lies the edge of the observable universe, where the light from distant galaxies hasn't had enough time to reach us since the universe began. Reaching the edge of the observable universe would take us approximately 46 billion light-years from Earth. This boundary doesn't mark the end of the universe itself, but simply the furthest point from which light has had time to travel since the Big Bang. Beyond this lies a tantalizing unknown. Here, nestled at the limits of our cosmic vision, we find an ancient glow, the cosmic microwave background, or CMB. This faint radiation is like the echo of the Big Bang itself, the whisper of a universe just born. At this edge, we're peering back in time, seeing the universe as it was nearly 13.8 billion years ago. And yet, there's a lingering question. What lies beyond this horizon? What exists in the unobservable regions of the cosmos? Could the universe be infinite, stretching endlessly with galaxy after galaxy populating its vast expanse? Or does it have an actual edge, a border that marks the end of all things? One theory suggests something fascinating: countless universes. The idea of the multiverse proposes that our universe is just one of many, isolated bubbles floating in a grander unknown. These might contain completely different laws of physics, infinite variations of time and space, or absolutely nothing at all. Some scientists also theorize that the universe could fold back on itself, like a cosmic loop. If this were true, traveling far enough in one direction might eventually bring us back to where we started. It's a mind-bending concept, one that challenges our very perception of reality. As we journey through the cosmos, it becomes clear that many mysteries remain unsolved. What is dark matter, the invisible substance that holds galaxies together through its gravitational pull? Although it makes up about 27% of the universe, we have yet to determine what it's made of. And what of black holes? The cosmic vacuums where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape. Could these be the gateways to other regions of the universe? Or even alternate dimensions? These puzzles invite deeper questions about the nature of existence itself. How much of the universe do we truly understand, and how much remains and will forever remain a mystery? Despite these monumental mysteries, humanity's thirst for understanding remains unshaken. With powerful telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope and missions to develop more advanced technologies, we continue to map the heavens and study the stars. Every discovery brings us closer to answering the fundamental questions about the universe and our place within it. And yet, even as we learn more, the horizon of our unawareness expands. The more we uncover, the more profound our ignorance feels. It's a humbling reminder of the vastness of the cosmos and the boundless potential for exploration. As we approach the limits of what we can comprehend, we're confronted by questions that go beyond physics or astronomy. Are we truly alone in this vast universe? Or does intelligent life exist somewhere among the stars? Could it be that somewhere, beyond our current limits of understanding, life thrives in forms we can't even imagine? And then there's the question of eternity. Is the universe infinite, or does it have a beginning and an end? If there is an end, what lies beyond? These questions spark wonder but also unease. It's hard not to feel small in the face of such overwhelming vastness. But perhaps the beauty of this mystery is that it reminds us of a greater truth. The universe holds infinite possibilities, and we're only just beginning to uncover them. As our journey comes to an end, we find ourselves back on Earth, gazing up again at the night sky. But now, those twinkling stars seem even more magical, gateways to distant galaxies, cosmic voids, and ancient mysteries. The journey to the edge of the universe is not just a voyage into deep space. It's a journey into the unknown, a quest to understand the cosmos, our place within it, and the endless possibilities lying beyond what we can see. The universe is vast, mysterious, and teeming with questions yet to be answered. But the greatest mystery of all is this: despite its unimaginable scale, the universe is connected to us. We belong to it, and it belongs to us. Are you ready to continue exploring? The edge of the universe beckons. What will you find? The answer is out there, waiting.